How to change password on Tumblr. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change password on Tumblr. To change your password on Tumblr, first of all open your Tumblr application or go to the Tumblr website and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon and then you will be taken to your profile page. In this page at the top right, you'll be able to locate the settings or the gear icon. Simply tap on the gear icon and once you reach to this account section, here choose account settings option from the very top. Now by doing so in this page, you'll be able to locate password just below the email option. Simply tap on password and then in this page you will be prompted to enter your new password. Simply tap on this field and enter a new password for your account. After entering the password, now tap on the save option at the top right. By doing so, a pop-up will appear. Here in order to change your password, first of all you will need to enter your previous password. Tap on this field and enter your previous password. Now once after entering the password, tap on the confirm button and then you will see you have successfully changed your password on Tumblr. So this is how you can change or update your password on Tumblr. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.